So again, good morning. So for this week, we'll be having a different kind of probability kung saan magpo-focus tayo sa compound probability in terms of sunod-sunod po yung ating pong pagbunot. Hindi katulad last week which is two events pero technically isang bunot lang naman ang gagawin natin. Nagkataon lang na dalawang specified na classification ng ating bubunutin ang hinihingi natin. But this time around, may isang may sinasabi tayong dapat mong bunutin, then after ng bunot na yon, may kasunod na bunot. Okay? So this is what we call independent and dependent probability. So let me share my screen. Okay. Nakikita po na naka-present? Opo. So we have the independent and dependent probability. Okay? When we talk about independent, ibig sabihin nito, sabi nga natin ng word, hindi naapektuhan kahit bumumono tayo. Ibig sabihin, mananatili na ang choices natin ay pareho kahit bumuno tayo ng bumunot. While dependent probability naman ay mangyayari kapag pagkatapos natin bumunot, ang may iwan ay maapektuhan ng ating unang ginawang pagbunot. Okay po, para mas maintindihan natin ang sinasabi ko, let's have number 1. Nababasa po?
Opo.
Situation number 1. Consider a box that contains 14 red balls, 12 blue balls, and 9 yellow balls. A ball is thrown at random and the color is noted, then put back in the box. Then another ball is thrown at random. Find the probability that. Okay. Kung mapapansin nyo, sa kwento, di may mga bola raw. 14 red balls, 12 blue balls, and 9 yellow balls. So may bubunot daw tayo at pagkabunot natin, ibabalik natin. So ibig sabihin, dun sa unang pagbunot natin, ilang bola yung nandun sa loob?
35.
That's 14 plus 12 plus 9 is 35. That's correct. There are 39 balls. Ngayon, nung bumunot ako, ibinalik ko, sa sunod kong pagbunot, ilan na po yun? Ilan pa rin yung bolang nandun sa loob?
35 pa rin po.
35 pa rin. Ibig sabihin, walang nabago o walang pagbabago in terms of our choices. That is what we call independent probability. Okay? Independent probability. So, paano po natin to gagawin? Ang sabi, ang unang bunot daw natin ay dapat blue. Sa unang situation, letter A, both are blue. Ibig sabihin, sa unang bunot ay blue at ang pangalawang bunot natin ay blue din. So, paano natin ano ang probability na ang bubunutin natin ay blue pagkatapos ay another blue? So, para magawa natin yun, ilan yung bola ang meron tayo?
35.
Ilang bola out of the 35 ang blue?
12.
There are 12 na blue. So, ibig sabihin, sa unang bunot natin, we have 12 out of 35. Yan. We have 12 out of 35. That is for the probability na sa unang bola natin, blue yung makukuha natin. Ngayon, after the first draw, bubunot ulit tayo. Pagkatapos ng bunot na yun, ibinalik ulit yung bola at ang gusto ulit niyang mabunot ay blue. So ano ulit ang probability ng blue?
12 over 35.
So dalawang 12 over 35 yon. Tandaan, it's a continuous process kaya ang ginagawa po natin ay times. So that's 12 over 35 times 12 over 35. Dito pa lang kung kaya natin siyang i-lowest term na natin siya. Meron bang makakapag-divide sa 12 at 35? Wala.
Wala po.
Wala. So ang gawin mo lang, i-multiply natin. That's 12 times 12. That's 144 over 35 times 35, that's 1,225.
220.
And that's a
25.
probability na mabubunot natin ay dalawang magkasunod na blue. Yun na po yun. Okay. Let's have another, let's have the second one. The first is red and the second is yellow. The first is red daw, then the second is yellow. So anong probability na ang unang mabubunot natin ay red? So ilan sa red?
14.
14.
14 out of 35.
35.
Tama? Times, dahil ibinalik natin, kompleto ulit ang pagpipilian natin, ano ang probability that the second is yellow?
9/35.
That's 9 over 35. That's correct. Ngayon, pwede muna tayong mag-divide. Ang 14 at 35 are both divisible by 7.
7.
But kung inaano, para mas madali tayong mag-lowest term. So that this is both divisible by 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. And
2.
35 divided by 7 is 5. Meron pa bang
5.
pwedeng i-divide? 9 at 35, meron ba?
Wala na
Wala.
po.
Let's have the cross multiplication. 2 at 35, hindi rin. 9 at 5, hindi rin. So dahil naka-lowest term na, pwede na natin siyang i-multiply. 2 times 19, that's 18.
18.
Over 5 times 35,
175.
175.
that's 175. So that is the probability na ang makukuha natin, 175? 175, sorry. 175. Okay. So this is the probability na ang mabubunot natin red, then yellow. Nakuha po? This is independent kasi binabalik natin. Pinalik o pinaltan. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, na muna natin to. Let's have the next one. Consider a box that contains 14 red balls, 12 blue balls, and 9 red balls. Okay po. So pareho pa rin. Suppose the two balls are done one after another without putting back the first ball. Find the probability that the first is red and the second is yellow. Pagkabunot raw po natin ay hindi na natin binabalik yung binunot natin. So paano natin gagawin yon? Ibig sabihin, kapag hindi mo binalik, ibig sabihin yung nasa loob ng ating box ay pagkatapos mo ng unang bola ay nabawasan na. Hindi na siya katulad ng unang pagbunot mo na ganun pa rin ang rami. Nabawasan na siya ng isa kasi hindi mo na siya pinalik. Ang tawag po doon ay dependent probability. So paano po natin to gagawin? So katulad po nung una, let's answer this one. First is red and the second is blue. So unahin muna natin doon. First is red and the second is blue. What is the probability of red? Ilan nga muna sila? Lahat?
35.
35 pa sila. 35 pa sila. Ilan ang red doon?
14.
That's 14. That's correct. Times, ilan na ngayon ang nasa loob?
34.
34 na lang, hindi na 35. Kasi bawas na. And out of those 34, ilan doon ang blue?
12.
12. So yan po ang ating lowest term. So unahin mo natin itong 14 out of 35. This can be divided by 7. So this is 2 over 5 if I am not mistaken. Tama? 10 to 12 at saka po 34 can be both divisible by 2. So this is 6 over 17.
70.
Okay? Ang 2 at 17 naman wala, 6 at 5. So we can proceed. 2 times 6 is 12.
12.
And 5 times 17,
85.
that's 85. So our final answer is 12 over 85. Nakuha po? Nakuha po?
Opo.
Okay. Kung mapansin niyo ha, nababawasan yung pangalawang probability dahil may hindi na tayo binalik after nung isa. Okay? Let's have this number 2. Both are yellow. So sa unang bunot natin, ilan muna ulit sila lahat?
35.
35.
Ilan ang yellow?
9.
9.
That's correct. 9 out of 35. That's correct. Ngayon, nakabunot tayo ng yellow, hindi na natin binalik. Ang sunod na gusto mo ay yellow ulit. So ilang yellow na lang ang meron?
8.
8 na lang. Kasi hindi mo binilik yung isa. Ilan na nga lang ang pagpipilian mo?
34.
34. Parehong nabawasan kasi parehong yellow yung ginawa natin. Parehong nabawasan siya. So this is our probability. So that will be lowest term natin, 9 over 34. Meron bang pwedeng i-divide? Wala.
Wala
8
po.
of 34, I think 2. Pwede natin i-divide by 2. So this is 4 over 17.
17.
Wala na. I think so. So that's 9 times 4, 36 over 35 times 17.
595.
That's 595. And that's the probability ng ating pong yellow at yellow ang mabubunot natin. Clear? Binalik, hindi po binalik ha. Kapag hindi binalik, ibig sabihin it's dependent. Okay? Any questions so far? May gusto kayong liwanagin? Wala na po? Pwede na ka magdiretso? Hello po.
Opo, sir.
Okay. Let's have more given. How about this one? A toy box contains 12 toys, 8 stuffed animals, and 3 board games. Maria randomly chooses 2 toys for the child she is babysitting to play. What is the probability that he chooses 2 stuffed animals as the first 2 choices? Okay, so a toy box contains 12 toys. 8 are animals, and 4, I think may mali dito sa tanong na to. Okay, may mali lang sa tanong. I think should be 4. Ang box daw ay may 12 toys. Kasi pareho naman itong toys. Hindi. Iba yung toys. Sige. Itama natin yung tanong ha. May mali doon sa tanong. There are 12 toys. Gawin natin itong 4 board games. Okay. A box contains 12 toys, 8 stuffed animals, and 4 boy games. So, ang laman po niya ay 12, which is 8 at saka po yung 4. Maria randomly chooses 2 toys for the child she is babysitting to play. What is the probability that he chooses 2 stuffed animals as the first 2 choices? Sa palagay nyo, ibabalik pa kaya ni Maria kapag kinuha niya o hindi? Palalaro niya raw.
Hindi na po
Hindi na.
ibabalik.
Okay po, hindi na. Technically, hindi na ibabalik. Okay? So, ang gusto niya ay parehong stuffed animal. Parehong stuffed animal. So, what is the probability that we have stuffed animal? Ilan po yung stuffed animal natin sa una?
8.
8 out of
12.
12. Then, sa pangalawa,
7
out of 11.
11.
Kasi nakuha na natin yung isa. So, lowest term lang natin. This is both divisible by 4. This is 2. And this is 3. 2 times 7, 14.
14.
3 times 11,
33.
33. Okay. Clear? Yan po yan. Let's have another one. A basket contains 6 apples, 5 bananas, 4 oranges, and 5 guavas. Dominic randomly chooses one piece of fruit, eats it, and chooses another fruits. What is the probability that he chooses a banana then an apple? If that is the given, babalik pa kaya yung pinili niya? Hindi na.
Hindi.
Hindi na
Hindi
po.
na, kinain na eh. So hindi na niya magababalik yun. Hindi naman sinabing pinaltan niya yung kinain niya. So ibig sabihin, this is independent-dependent. Independent or dependent?
Dependent po.
Hindi.
Dependent po. Kasi hindi na nabago na. So ngayon, may ilang prutas tayong pinag-uusapan?
20.
There are 20 na prutas. Ang sabi niya, ang gusto niya ay banana, then apple. So what is the probability of banana?
5 over 20.
5 over 20 times apple.
6 over
6 over
19.
19. So nabawasan na. So pwede natin yung lowest term. So this is divisible by 5. 1 over 4.
4.
Yung 6 at saka 4 pwede pa. So this is both divisible by 2. So this is 3. And this is 2. Meron pa ba? Wala na. So 1 times 3. Tandaan ang pag lowest term pwedeng pataas or pa-diagonal. Wag lang pahalang. Okay? So 1 times 3.
3.
2 times 19.
38.
38.
38. And this is the final answer. 3 over 38. Okay? Clear?
Yes po.
Last one. Nick have 4 black pens, 3 blue pens, and 2 red pens in his school bag. Nick randomly picks 2 pens out of his bag. What is the probability that he chooses 2 ball pens if he replaced the first pen back to his pocket before choosing the second one? Independent, dependent.
Independent po.
Independent.
po.
Kasi ang sabi dito, bago pumili ng pangalawa, pinaltan niya yung unang pinili niya. Binalik, ni-replace. Hindi man niya kinuha yung, hindi man niya binalik yung original, pinaltan niya ng katulad. That is what we call replaced. Ni-replace niya. Okay? So, ilang ballpen na meron siya?
9.
So, meron siyang 9 na ballpens. Ang gusto niya, ang sabi niya, ay 2 blue pens ang gusto niya. So, anong probability ng unang blue pen?
3 over 9.
That's 3 over 9. Times, ano ang probability ng pangalawang blue pen?
3 over 9.
3 over 9
Over
pala.
lang pa din po.
Oo, kasi binalik naman, pinalta naman niya. So, 3 over 9 over 3 over 9. So, this can be both lowest term as 1/3 and 1/3. So, 1 times 1, 1.
1.
3 times 3,
9.
9. So the probability na makukuha niya ay blue pen, then another blue pen, after kinuha at pinaltan at kumuha ulit, ang tamang sagot ay 1, 9. Clear po?
Opo.
Okay po. So that ends our dependent and independent topic. Any question about dependent and independent? Okay po ha, tandaan, pag independent, binabalik o pinapaltan. Kapag dependent, hindi na pinapaltan o binabalik. Clear? Naapektuhan na yung kasunod. Okay po?
Opo.
Okay po. Paliwanag ko lang ha. So, technically, dapat tayo ay quarterly exam. Pero last time, nagkaroon ako ng summative sa inyo, which is yung 1 to 28. That is the first part of your exam. For this week, later, I'll be giving the second part of your exam, which is all about probability naman. So, ang ipapasa ko po mamaya ay probability, ang sasagutan nyo, which is magkasama na ang basic probability, mutually exclusive and not mutually exclusive. At saka po ang ating pong huling topic, which is our independent and dependent probability. Clear po tayo? So that is the second part of your exam. Ipapasa ko po. Sa mga kukuha po sa school, mamayang alauna, nandun na po kami para ibigay po ang inyo pong mga activity sheets and exams. Yung mga hindi naman na nagsabing online, mamaya-maya po ipapasa ko po ang sasagutan. Question? Questions po? May questions po tayo? Hello po, may tapa po. Wala na po ba?
Sir, excuse me po.
Yes po, Karo.
Matik po bang masasabi na dependent yon if may nabago po dun sa equation?
Yes po.
May
Once
solution.
na may nabago dun sa pangalawa, it's dependent. Kaya nga nabago na eh. Kung independent siya, hindi dapat siya nabago. Kaya niyang pareho pa rin siya ng una. Pero once na may nabago dun sa pangalawa, ibig sabihin it's dependent. Bakit yun nabago? Dahil may hindi pinali. May hindi pinaltan. May kinuha ka, then hindi mo pinaltan o hindi mo binalik. Kaya nabago yung pangalawa. So technically, it's dependent. Pero kapag ang ating pong equation ay walang nabago, ibig sabihin dahil binalik mo o pinaltan mo, ibig sabihin it's independent. Makikita mo naman yon sa denominator, yung nasa denominator natin. Once na nabago yung overall choices mo, dependent na yon. Pero kung walang nabago sa choices mo, dahil kompleto pa rin yung choices mo, that's independent.
Okay po, sir. Thank you po.
Okay po. Other question? May gusto pa pong itanong? Wala na po. Thumbs up po or magsabi ng wala na po kung wala na para po tayo matapos na.
Yeah po, sir.
Okay po. So salamat po. Goodbye po. I'll be passing later yung sasagutan niyo pa. Salamat po.
Bye po, sir. Thank you
Salamat
po.
po, sir.
Bye-bye po.
Bye.